Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze a row or column in Google Sheets. So to do this is pretty simple. All you have to do is select the row or the column that you want to freeze. So let's say we want to freeze this row. So here all we have to do is go to data, and then we'll have to locate your protect sheets and ranges. So basically what this does, it can protect it from being edited or gives a warning when it's going to be edited. So let's place a description. So let's just place 123 for example, and let's just set our permissions. From here you can show a warning, or you can restrict who can edit this. You can set certain people in your group or in your company or in your workplace where you can only edit this. So you want to show a warning when you're editing, you can save this, and then when we try to edit this to lol, it just gives this try to heads up you're trying to edit a part that you shouldn't be. So there you go. So when they exit it, it'll be redacted. So there you go guys, that is how you freeze a row column in Google Sheets. So if this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.